Hello students, today we will discuss about equivalence relation. Listen carefully. Equivalence relation, in last video I told you a relation which is reflexive, symmetric and transitive. That relation is called equivalence relation. Okay. Now look, this one problem you have to show that the relation defined on the set A of all triangles relation is T1 T2 where T1 is similar to T2 is a equivalence relation. You have to show this is equivalence relation. Okay students, you are given a set contains all triangles. Set A contains all triangle and here relation is T1 is similar to T2. Mean to say first triangle is similar to second triangle. You can say this is an equivalence relation you have to show. First of all, you have to show this is reflexive relation. Okay, for reflexivity, let T belong to A. What is A? A is the set of all triangles. First of all, you have to take T belong to A. Triangle T belong to A. Okay, students, this implies T is similar to T. You know very well, every triangle is similar to itself. Every triangle is similar to itself. So if T belong to A, then it implies T is similar to T according to given conditions. If T1 similar to T2, then there is only one triangle in the case of reflexivity. Okay. So here T is similar to T. It implies T comma T belong to relation R for all T belong to T. Okay. So R is here reflexive. First case. Second is symmetric. Now you have to check whether the given relation is symmetric or non-symmetric, right? So let T1 T2 belong to relation, given relation. Let T1 comma T2 belong to R. It implies if T1 T2 belong to R, then there will be T1 similar T2. Okay, T1 is similar to T2. If T1 is similar to T2, then it can be written T2 is similar to T1. Okay, if T1 is similar to T2 as given, then it must sure T2 is similar to T1. It implies T2 comma T1 belong to R for all T1 T2 belong to A. So R is symmetric. Listen me carefully. Let T1 T2 belong to R. It implies T1 is similar to T2. If T1 is similar to T2, then it must sure T2 is similar to T1. If T2 is similar to T2, then T2 comma T1 belong to R for all T1 T2 belong to A. Mean to say, if T1 T2 belong to R, mean to say T1 is related to T2, then it implies T2 is related to T1. Then it will be symmetric relation, and For third case is transitive relation. To check transitive relation, let T1 comma T2 belong to R, and 1 minute students. Here students, for transitive relation, let T1 comma T2 belong to R, and T2 comma T3 belong to R. It implies if T1 comma T2 belong to R, then T1 is similar to T2. T1 is similar to T2, and if T2 comma T3 belong to R, then T2 is similar to T3. Now you can see T1 is similar to T2 and T2 is similar to T3. So T1 is similar to T3. You can see here T1 is similar to T2 and T2 is similar to T3. So it must sure T1 is similar to T3. T1 is similar to T3. Okay, it implies T1 comma T3 belong to R for all T1 comma T2 comma T3 belong to R. Okay, so R is transitive relation. Okay students, you can see given relation T1 is similar to T2 is reflexive, symmetric and transitive. So this relation will be equivalence relation. Again repeating, a relation which is reflexive, symmetric, transitive, that relation will be called equivalence relation. Okay, reflexive, each element is related to itself, then relation will be called reflexive. Symmetric, if A is related to B, it implies B is related to A, then it will be called symmetric. And if A is related to B, B is related to C, it implies A is related to C, then it will be called transitive. If a relation is reflexive, symmetric and transitive, then that relation will be equivalence relation. Okay students, there are much chances for exam there may be equivalence relation. Okay students, all the best. Thank you so much. Thank you.